This is going to be the simplest Clickbank tutorial you've ever seen. And the goal of this video is the fastest route to you making commissions with Clickbank. Okay, so I'm not going to show you how to do it the 6-month blogging way, make YouTube videos for a year way. This is the fastest route to making money with Clickbank today. So I'm going to show you the best niches, I'm going to show you the best products and how to find good products, and then I'm going to show you how to send free traffic quickly to your affiliate links so that you can start making commissions. Now, before we start, I do want to talk about a couple really important things. So the first one is you need to understand that when you see people post Clickbank screenshots that look like this, okay, these ones that are crazy high, they're posting $5,000 to $10,000 in commissions every single day. Most of these people are using paid ads. Okay, most people aren't using organic free traffic to drive $5,000 to $10,000 in commissions every single day. And some of these people may even be spending a little more than they make, and then they're making the money off selling courses and stuff. The second thing you need to know is just how easy it is for somebody to fake the numbers in Clickbank. So you can see here we've got this brand new Clickbank account, right, with zeros all the way down. Now, if we right click and inspect that number right there, all someone needs to do is type in, $5 million, and it now shows $5 million. They can even adjust the green bar to make that look good as well by simply changing the length of it. Boom, we now went from nothing to $5 million in a single day. Now that would make a good YouTube video. And the third thing you need to know is that you really need to make sure that you're being an ethical affiliate marketer, especially if you're promoting Clickbank products. Clickbank doesn't do a lot of vetting on their products, and that means that a lot of times the products that are on Clickbank are terrible and they have crazy high refund rates and can be very bad for the user, and then in the end bad for you who's trying to build up an audience of trusted people. So as you're going through picking these products, I want you to be very careful and make sure that you are looking into the product a little bit, and either you're buying it yourself or you're doing some research and seeing who's selling this product and how are the real reviews online of this product from people that have actually purchased it. But now let's hop in and let's start talking about what's going to happen once you sign up for your Clickbank account. We're not going to walk you through the actual sign up process. I think most of you can figure that out. But once you get into Clickbank, you'll see that there's a marketplace right here. So you'll click on the marketplace and it's going to take you to a category page. Now, categories are essentially niches, and what we're going to try to do is find a category where we can make money. Now, you do need to know that some categories are more competitive than others, and some categories have a lot more products and affiliates promoting those products than others. Now, I want you to understand that doesn't necessarily matter. In fact, a lot of affiliates do really well by choosing the categories or the niches that other people aren't going for. So the way I say choose a niche is choose something that you could talk about, okay? Something that you could write a blog post about, or you could get on TikTok or YouTube and you could talk about for 10 minutes and do okay with that. Okay, so if you're huge into politics, I can click on the politics here and I can see all these products that sell in the politics section. Now, I actually clicked the terrible one because you can see right here, there's only 3 products, okay? It ends after 3 products. It's not giving you information on 2 of those products, and the conversion rate of $5.82 is pretty low for the one product that we do get information on. So I've chosen a bad niche.
You're out, get out, you're fired, get out.
So we're going to go back and we're going to look at some other stuff. We're going to click into the spirituality where I've seen a lot of people do well. Okay, and you can see right here, this is a niche that I'm not super familiar with, but you might be. And there's much higher conversion rates, okay? Meaning the average amount of money that you make right here is $20, $52, okay? So this tells me, okay, one, there's a bunch of products. You can see total of 18 pages of products, so totally different than the political one. And these products have conversion rates where you're getting up to $180 on average per person that buys. The last thing you want to look at when you're choosing your category, we've pretty much decided this category's got a lot of potential, right? Is you're going to look at the gravity, this number right here, grav, for a bunch of the words, or a bunch of the products, and you'll want to look and make sure it's high. Because what gravity is it's telling you how many affiliates have managed to make a sale of that product in a certain time frame. And so anything over like 50 is typically pretty good. It means a lot of affiliates are making sales and that product is probably pretty good and it's a niche that you can make money in. So you can see in this one, gravity of 250, 150, 160, 180 on that one. Plenty of potential in this spirituality niche. So once you've decided, hey, this is a niche that I'm interested in and that's got a lot of potential for making money as an affiliate, we can move on and start picking the products that we want to actually promote. And you can see that can be a little bit hard because there's 18 pages of products here. So the first thing you need to know is we already talked a little bit about gravity. You can see that gravity of 243. That tells me 2 things. One, it's a little bit competitive. That means there's 250 at least somewhat decent affiliates that are also promoting this product. But on the flip side, it tells me hey, this product, it sells well. People like the idea of this product. So this would be important for you to know your traffic source. Are you going to create your own audience on a place like TikTok or Instagram where you're promoting to your own audience? In which case it's probably okay to do these high gravity ones, because a lot of these people are your own audience and they don't know about this. But on the flip side, if you're gonna be a blogger or a YouTuber where you're gonna be trying to rank in search engines like these guys right here, then it's very important that you probably don't go for something with crazy high gravity, because that tells you right up front, this is competitive. There's 50 other blogs that are all gonna try to rank for this same keyword. And if you're new to the space, it's probably not gonna work out well for you. So in that case, you might scroll down and try to find something with a little less gravity, something maybe in the 60s right there. Okay, it's still got a good conversion rate, but it's a little less competitive in terms of affiliates promoting it. So the next thing I'll do is I wanna see kind of how fresh this product is, and I wanna see how many people are promoting this product on YouTube and places like that. All right, so you can see here, we've got the top one is numerologist.com. So I might go into YouTube and I might type in numerologist review. Now the next thing I'll do is I'll actually put quotes around it, because I only want the videos that actually say numerologist review in them. Now in this particular case, it's numerologist.com, so I might do the same thing with numerologist.com review and see how many numerologist.com reviews there are out there. Now what you're looking at is the view count, okay? So you're looking and you're saying, okay, 2 years ago, these guys got 20,000 views for numerologist.com. These guys got 300. 5 months ago, these guys got 5,000 a year ago. These guys got 16,000 7 years ago. 7 months ago, 44. So you can see everybody's getting views, okay? And that's a good sign. It means that these guys are all still getting views. It means there's still some general hype about this product. They're still probably upgrading it and selling it and things like that. And in the case of these guys, they probably made a ton of money with 20,000 views. So a couple things that you would look for that would tell you not to promote a product is you might see that no videos have been put out in 3 years on that product. So there's no real recent videos. You might see that any recent videos have got no views. So someone might have tried to promote this, they're not getting any views. And especially if, anywhere in the top 5 videos ranking, there's less than 20 or 30 views, that's a very bad sign, meaning this really isn't getting looked for very much. It's a product probably on the decline. The second thing you're gonna wanna look for is this page right here. You can see almost all of them have an affiliate page. So the first one does, second one, you can see an affiliate page right there. So you'll click into that and you're gonna look and see if they give you assets. Now what assets are is product images, banners, email swipes. You can see right here, these guys definitely give you all the assets that can help you promote. And so you don't have to be a graphic designer and try to make your own images and things like that. You don't have to be a perfect copywriter and be able to write your own emails and things like that. So you can click in here and you can see, hey, look, they've already got email swipes. They've already got affiliate links, that you can easily add to them. So all you've got to do is copy the text and you can paste it into your email autoresponder and send these down the road to some kind of audience that we're going to build. So this is really good for us to make it easier to promote. And it also tells us that they care about their affiliates. They're willing to put in some work and really help the affiliates get sales. The next thing you want to do is get your affiliate link. So you've gone through, you've researched, you've picked a product. Hopefully you've gone through and done a little additional research and decided that the product is a decent product and it can actually help people that you want to help. So then all you've got to do is occasionally a product will make you get approved, but most of the products on Clickbank, you're okay to just start promoting right from the beginning. And as soon as you click promote, it's going to ask you for your account nickname. It's going to put it in there already for you actually. And then you can put in a tracking ID if you want. Type in tracking ID right there and then generate hop links, and we'll talk about that in a second, why that's so important. But you can see here, this is now your link, okay? And you can see it's created a special link just for you, and it's added a tracking ID so you can know when sales come through this link, okay? And we're gonna talk about how we're gonna do something better with that tracking link, but just know that is now your affiliate link. If someone clicks this, they buy the product, you get paid. And as are all the pages in the spirituality niche, it's a little funky, but it is what it is. Now what I do next, and I think this is really important and a lot of people don't talk about this, is I add this inside of my WordPress dashboard. I have a WordPress website and I add the link, so astrology I think it was called, I add the link to this affiliate link management software or plugin. And all that does, okay, is it creates a much nicer looking link. So we saw this link and it was kind of crazy looking, right? It's got all the weird stuff from Clickbank in there. Well, now I add this in here, and now this link right here that I'm highlighting is my actual link. And that will, when someone goes to buildapreneur.com/recommend/astrology, it's actually going to forward on to this link right here. Now that's really helpful because one, that ugly link inside of wherever you put that link, if people see it looking like that, it's probably not going to get a lot of clicks because it looks like you're going to get some kind of virus. The second reason is if I use this link tracker right here, then I can get a much better idea for where my sales are coming from, okay? So when it says, remember how we had to add tracking to the end as the tracking ID? We can actually change that out and put in brackets, okay? And we're going to say sub ID 1, okay? And now what I can do is when I take this link right here and I put it somewhere, and we're going to throw it into the URL, I can add, wherever I put it, I can add that at the end. So I can say, hey, I put this on YouTube, or I put this on Instagram, or I put this on my TikTok video, okay? And what it's gonna do is it's actually gonna take this right here, that word TikTok, and it's gonna insert that right here where the sub ID is. And that means in Clickbank, it's gonna tell us now where our sales are coming from, okay? It's gonna say, hey, you got a sale and it was from your TikTok account. Hey, you got a sale, it was from your YouTube account. And that's really important for us to know down the road, like, where are our sales coming from? Because I can tell you right now, I've had sales come in and I have no clue where they're coming from some of my first affiliate links I posted. And it's kind of frustrating to not know where that sale came from. Don't be me. Let's take some time now and talk about traffic. I promised you we would talk about the best free traffic methods right now, and that's what we're going to do. So with these accounts, with these Clickbank affiliate links, a lot of people will use paid traffic and they'll promote and do well, and a lot of people will use free traffic. In the beginning, I would highly, highly recommend just tinkering around with free traffic. Paid traffic is much harder than people try to make it seem, and most people lose a lot of money. And in fact, you probably need to have $2,000 to $3,000 just to kind of tinker around with an ad to test, to get to where you can actually make a profitable ad. So if you don't have thousands of dollars to spend on ads, I would not get started in paid traffic. So if you look at the internet, right, every social platform and every search engine has a free and a paid method to promote. You can make a blog or you can run AdWords ads. You can make a Facebook page and just post stuff, or you can run ads on Facebook. So each one of these has an organic method. Now, I think the best organic method for fast blowing up, okay, getting people clicking your links like today or tomorrow, is TikTok. Now, you don't have to do TikTok, but these newer platforms like TikTok tend to have less moderation. You tend to get booted a lot less. You tend to be able to go viral a lot easier. So that's why I'm recommending TikTok. You can have a video with 1 million views in the next week on TikTok. And in fact, that's exactly what happened to me my first time on TikTok. The first thing you're gonna do when you get a TikTok account is you're gonna type in Discover here, and you're actually gonna search for some hashtags. It's kind of funny here because trending right at the top, you can see a zodiac sign, which I think is astrology, which is exactly the product that we would tie into. So there's actually a massive opportunity right now to hop onto a trending subject for astrology. So you would instantly start making TikToks using that hashtag about zodiac signs, and you would point to your link about astrology. Okay, but if we weren't lucky like we would have been right now, honestly, you could probably make some money off that today if you hopped on and made some TikToks about astrology. By the way, if someone actually does this, watches the video and pulls this off, I really want to know, let me know. But so you're going to type in something like astrology, okay? So you'll type in astrology there, and then you're going to type on the far right, you can see hashtags. You're going to click hashtags and kind of see what are the big hashtags in the astrology world. And you can see there's tons of different ones like that. It's not showing the zodiac one, which is going viral, but that's okay. So then you're going to click into it, okay, maybe we'll click into astrology signs there, and you're going to find the videos that are doing well. So you're going to click into a bunch of these videos, and you can see on the right, it tells you, it's kind of hard to see on this one, but it tells you how many comments it has, how many likes it has, and you can see this one's got a ton of likes and comments. So then you're gonna wanna see if you can tie in your products, okay? So you're gonna say, hey, can I make something similar to what some of these big guys are doing, but maybe with a little push at the end that makes sense, that I can say, hey, if you wanna learn more about this idea, head over to the link in my profile. And then you can see in my profile right here, we'll head over there next. So you can see a link right there. TikTok allows you to add a link to your profile. So all you've got to do is you've got to find content that's doing well and trending. You can see if you can tie that in to your subject and your niche and your category. Then you're going to make a post that's similar to the posts that are already doing well. And this is very important. In the very beginning, you don't have to be super creative. Just try to make something similar to what's already blowing up. And then every video ends with telling people there's a link in your bio to learn more. Now you can see on the screen here, these are my link tree stats. This is kind of the software I'm using to run my links. And you can see tens of thousands of people clicking over to my links from TikTok. It's a very, very easy place right now to promote affiliate links. And if you want to create a long-term affiliate business, you're absolutely going to want to click subscribe to this channel, because that's everything that this channel is about.